Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off Simplify banner notification when our application is in the full screen mode in Realme 14x phone. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to go here, and here we have the banner options. And as you can see at the top, we have the option to turn off banner notifications. And here is the option that we were looking for. So when you use an app in full screen, such as when watching videos, etc., banner notifications will be simplified to minimize distraction. We can enable it or disable using this switch right here. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.